eddy current separator installed in PET recycling line. Our newly developed eddy current separator machine. It is installed in a reputed PET recycling plant. Our eddy current separator for PET material has a magnetic drum separator which removes 100% magnetic metals. We use double vibratory feeder magnetic pulley for better performance. Our machine is the most suitable machine for the separation of non-ferrous metals such as aluminium, copper and zinc from dry recyclables. We have used very high-performance, high-frequency rotor. Our eddy current separator has the capacity of 2 metric ton per hour. You can see how effectively the metal is separated from PET. Metal after the separation process. Eddy current separator is the most suitable machine for the recovery of small non-ferrous metals to larger shredded scrap. The machine is designed for continuous operation with consistent performance. To know more about our eddy current separator, visit our website www.jkmagnetic.com.